Hey guys, so welcome to you all. So in this module we are going to create our header part. So let's get started. First of all, open up our terminal, and after that we need the command prompt. So go to our core and run npm run dev. We'll see a link, so paste here. So we need to make some changes here. I am going to remove the main section and add here a div that has a class name text rate 600 text 3 times larger, so it will be our home. Let's save and see. You can see our home here. So after that we are going to create a new folder here called components. Okay, and we are going to create a new file that is home.js. To home, it's header.js. Okay, so in this header.js file we need first of all export our default version component home header should return our header. Move that div into that. Let's cut our div from here. Move that into here. Let's import our header. Function. Okay, let's save our file. You should see the home. Okay, this is the component. We are loading the component from here and from here. Okay, this is how this app is running. So after that we need to make sure our React icons installed. So go to the React icons and copy that and paste here. It will install the React icons. So we need the icons to our div icons. See what icon we have. If we go here to google.com, we need the icon like this, right? So if we inspect that, should see a SVG file. Also has that icon in here somewhere. If I search here tbg grid, tbgd dots. Okay, I have copied that and I'm going to paste that in here. Should import that code. Degree dots from React. Icons dot tv. Okay, so if I save this and run this, okay, click the refresh here. Should see our icon in here. Okay, this is the icon is showing. You can see that. Yeah, we successfully installed React icons. So let's build our header part now. We have the icon. So now we are going to import the Tailwind CSS by adding the class flex justify int adding 5, text should be small. Okay, so should remove our all divs from here. Let's give this flex space 4 items should be center. After that we need the link. link should be has a serif. Should import the link. Save. And what's that in here? Okay, there is our Gmail and there is our home and our that thing. Okay, so should remove the home now. Let's copy that again, and this time it should be images, and go to our official code and copy this link address. We should paste that in here. Should save that and see our Gmail and emails and the thing. So we have the tv.kits, but we need some class name in here. Let's give this easy trans parent hover should be g gray 200 rounded full text larger. The padding should be 2. Let's save that. See, it's looking good now. So what else we should have in here? Okay, if we go our google.com, we should see this sign in button, right? So let's create that. Type button sign in. Okay, let's give some class names. Easy blue 5000. Text should be white. Is 6. Padding y should be 2. Font medium. Okay, bar shadow. We save this and go over here. You should see the exact sign in like that. Okay, so yeah, we have completed to build our neighbor successfully. So after that we should build that. So this is it guys, I will see you in the next video. Stay updated. So tata and bye.